let's take a look at this example right here. Solve for b. Right, we've got two fractions that equal to each other. A couple different ways we could try to solve this, but we are going to use the cross product property. Okay, we're going to cross multiply. All right, so first thing we want to multiply is 5 times the quantity of b minus 2. Rewrite it first, 5 times b minus 2. All right, and then of course we're going to want to multiply 6 times the quantity of b minus 3. Right there. Set that equal to what we've already got, so equal to 6 times the quantity of b minus 3. All right. Next thing we're going to do is distribute. Distribute our 5. It's going to give us 5b minus 10. Distribute our 6. That's going to give us 6b minus 18. 5b minus 10 equal to 6b minus 18. All right, now if we subtract 5b from both sides of the equation, right there and right there, that's going to cancel out our 5b and leave us with 1b on the right side. Negative 10 is equal to b minus 18. All right, might as well. Let's see how good my writing is. Minus 5b minus 5b. All right, and then we're going to need to add 18 to both sides of the equation. And negative 10 plus 18, that's going to give us positive 8. So 8 is equal to b, or b is equal to 8, using your symmetric property. All right, now, just remember, we can also graph this. Get rid of everything here. Actually, I'll do that. Let's just get rid of this ink. All right, so now that we've got that gone, if we just change that b to an x minus 3 equals 6 over b minus 2, well, x minus 2. All right, on the graph, it gives us a line. We can zoom in on this thing, see that it's going through 8. Nice, easy to figure. But remember that you can also always turn your system, your equation into a system of equations. So we just get rid of that first side, we graph this. See, we've got a pointer, the x value is 8. Okay. Now, our next example, v over 4 is equal to v plus 6 over 8. Let's start out by doing this one by graphing. Right, v over 4 equals, we need an x since we're graphing first, equals, we make our fraction by hitting the divide, x plus 6 over 8. Let's keep that as a plus sign. Okay. Right there. See, the answer is 6. It's telling us 6. Once again, we can turn this into a system if we graph the two sides separately. X plus 6. It's another way you can make a fraction, put parentheses around it. Over 8. See right there, once again, x value of 6. Shows us that point of intersection where the green graph and the purple graph are hitting, and of course also our original equation goes right through that point as well.